Apple is reportedly developing its first foldable iPhone, with an anticipated release in late 2026 or early 2027. Industry analysts suggest the device will feature a book-style design, boasting a 7.8-inch crease-free inner display and a 5.5-inch outer screen. To maintain a sleek profile, the foldable iPhone is expected to measure between 9 and 9.5 millimeters thick when folded and approximately 4.5 to 4.8 millimeters when unfolded. Notably, Apple plans to forego Face ID in favor of a Touch ID side button, likely due to space constraints within the foldable form factor. The device is projected to be priced between $2,000 and $2,500, with limited availability in its initial release phase. In terms of durability, Apple has been granted a patent for a self-healing display technology. This innovation aims to address common issues with foldable screens, such as scratches and dents. The self-healing layer would automatically repair minor damage without user intervention, potentially using heat, light, or electric current to facilitate the healing process. This feature could significantly enhance the longevity and user experience of the foldable iPhone. While Apple has not officially confirmed the foldable iPhone's release, these developments indicate that the company is actively working on a device that could set new standards in the foldable smartphone market.